24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is drifting at $196,376,710, which essentially is very critical. ADA down roughly 0.81% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, sort of additional appearance how ADA down around 0.81% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. Cardano's EMA10 especially shows an especially descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week acquiring 3.02% in a genuinely enormous manner. 31 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for most certainly 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these often in a real sense, sought clarification on some things, facts. What truly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Cardano, certainly is ADA for the most part wise venture, which truly is very critical. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging commonly profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an essentially enormous manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,177,517,732,560 in a for the most part significant manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $30,011,818,165 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in a huge manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, which truly shows that Cardano pick up bullish speed over the very past week acquiring 3.02%. Which certainly is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, has seen a value lessening of 0.83%, coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours, so however prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the ADA specialized examination, generally let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations, which truly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time span, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, really is somewhere around 2.36 and at present exchanging at 70 cents. Which basically is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, really in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market certainly is going in an especially descending heading for essentially present moment, showing how ADA down roughly 0.81% inside the very most recent 24 hours. Further appearance how ADA down around 0.81% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours amazingly. Right now, a genuinely broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value reduction of 0.83%. Coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours. So however prior to jumping especially profound into the ADA specialized examination, really let us for the most part discuss the very current economic situations, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which especially is very critical. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become substantially more truly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which vendors truly move fundamentally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%. which really shows that Cardano pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 3.02%, which generally is very huge. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA fundamentally has recorded a downtrend, losing 0.81% in kind of most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that 31 July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these much of the time, really got clarification on some things, facts. What is somewhat transient cost expectation for Cardano? Essentially is ADA a kind of wise interest in a quite large manner? The genuinely current worth of Cardano generally is drifting at 31 cents, with the exchanging volume of $196,376,710 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, exhibiting how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,517,732,560 in an unobtrusive manner. The extremely generally speaking market cap for ADA, especially, is $10,921,866,436 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 3.02% throughout the week, exhibiting that the fundamentally by and large market cap for ADA for the most part is $10,921,866,436 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 3.02% over the course of the week, which basically is very huge. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 31 July 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, especially made sense of beneath, exhibiting how the all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $30,011,818,165, which truly is very huge. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA2 in a real sense, break down the future development of the Cardano.THEADA United States dollar moving certainly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer, sort of is demonstrating a present moment in a real sense, sell most certainly signal as the MACD. Line sort of is moving beneath genuinely signal line, which sort of means buy and large bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, which fundamentally shows that 31 July 2023. In this video, we will for the most part walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for all things considered. 1 week from now and generally